South African financial regulators approving a Johannesburg printing company for possible money laundering offenses linked to a kickback scandal in Zimbabwe. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuno kunzi panguva ino aiwa ma-financial regulators aiwa ava kuteverana uzera kuti Chivhayo manje. Panguva ino avari kunasa kuona kuti aiwa step by step and bit by bit they are getting there. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Vachirifeya to a money laundering yakaitika munyika yeZimbabwe munodanyirwa muchenzi. Last year, an article by the Sentry and Open Secrets in Daily Maverick uncovered how the firm Rainform supplied overpriced election materials to Zimbabwe in partnership with Chivhayo, a politically connected entrepreneur accused of making payments to ministry officials in Harare. Zimbabwe's Anti-Corruption Commission launched an investigation after the Newshawks newspaper investigation revealed that Rainform had invoiced the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC 23 million rands for a server that normally cost 90,000 rands and charged 68,700 rands for portable toilets, which retail for about 10,000 rands per unit. Chivhayo was recorded discussing the sharing of the proceeds of the ZEC tender with the Zimbabwean officials referred to by their initials or code names. When asked at the time whether Rainform paid Chivhayo, the Common Resource Director, Jean Perry Dotsat, said, "Is one of our agency over here, over there. There is nothing wrong with that." Thomas kwanonoka kunzi panguva ino awa nauzana wikino Chivhayo panguva ino dziri kuandikaviwa awa kunyasa kunoka kunzi panapa ma-investigations ari kubuda akunyasa kuratidza mari dzechokwadi nema market price ezvinhu zvava zvakaoverpriciwa. Panguva ino inozooneka kunzi vana wikino Chivhayo kune dzimwe mari dzakanzi awa treasury yenyika yeZimbabwe yabudisa mari yaendeswa kuRainform CC kunenge mari yasama up to almost 800 million rands yakazotransferwa kuma-companies aiwa ana wikino Chivhayo. Tudze mafungiro enyu motidii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Do you think kuti aiwa this mission will be successful yekubata vana wikino Chivhayo aiwa vachinyatsokuiswa onto hand? Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.